Virtual Fun Art. Web3.
Hiya, my name is Jamie from Virtual Fun Art, and today I'm going to talk about Abstract Chain. So, what is Abstract? Well, it's basically a Web3 network made by the Pudgy Penguins team, and it's pretty much mainly focused around gaming apps, but it also features a large ecosystem of different apps. This is an abstract ecosystem map of 2025. Obviously, they've probably added more since then, but as you can see, there's quite a lot to Abstract. And what I will say is the quality of the apps are incredible. They're really good. Even the games such as Cambria. Um, yeah, I definitely recommend you go and test these games out. And they're so easy to use as well. I think the best thing about Abstract Chain is the login system. So you can actually log in via your Gmail account. You don't actually have to log in, with a crypto wallet. It's designed, to have an easy login system, and that makes a big difference. And you're probably wondering, okay, if you log in via your Gmail, well, how do you get your crypto in there? Well, when you click on wallet, the first thing you want to do is get some currency in there, and it has some very simple, easy to read buttons. You can click fund, and you can fund your wallet in different ways, via Coinbase, for instance, or even via a crypto wallet. Um, yeah, this is the way it looks like. You can bridge funds over, or even use a direct payment, like such as credit card via MoonPay. So yeah, they're very useful ways of getting currency in there. So then you can play the games or get involved in the apps. You have your own profile as well, which you can connect to X and Discord. And in fact, that's actually quite important to connect to Discord, because if you're after rewards, which I'd imagine most people are, then it basically tracks your on-chain activity. Here it's showing the XP rating. I've been using this for a few months now and building my XP up. And I believe they want to do this because they want to know, like, who's actually participating in the ecosystem, who is real, who's not a bot, and this is the score that proves that. So if they're going to give any rewards to people, it's going to be people that have a proven on-chain XP. And yeah, but they give you certain tasks to do. For example, I already done this task where I had to purchase some cryptoids, and they give you a badge for that. I mean, you can pick and choose what sort of tasks you want to do or how much money you want to spend. You could also get tasks just for simply linking your Twitter account or doing, just doing certain actions really. Oh yeah, also what's great about this is that to prove your assets, you don't actually have to directly connect your crypto wallet to Abstract website. It's all you need to do is actually connect your Discord to your website. Sorry, to your crypto wallet. So, for example, if you're on Abstract Discord, you can verify your assets through their Discord. I think using Collabland, and once you connect that to your wallet with, for example, Pudgy Penguin assets, then it will get recognized within this website. So, yeah, for example, if you click this, where it says bonus, this says what you need to do to acquire these different extra roles. So as I hold a little Pudgy, that gets recognized in the Discord and passed to this website. So I like that. No one really wants to always keep verifying their assets, especially when when there's too much risk of them being stolen these days. So it's quite a trustworthy website and very easy to use. Also, what this website has is streams. You can see different live streamers here, showing the ecosystem, playing games, which is quite good. And also they have a discovery tab where you can easily find what you're looking for. You can look via games of skill. I know Gigaverse is quite popular. Cambria is my personal favourite. Cambria is basically, I don't know if anyone's remembers RuneScape, like many years ago. It basically reminds me of that, where you sort of walk around, level up, and yeah, you can acquire certain skills in the game. I think the idea is you're hunting silver, and there's a prize pot each season, and then yeah, once the season ends, the prize pot of real money gets distributed amongst the players that have collected silver, and obviously the more silver you got, the more money you're rewarded with. I've never, I don't really have time to play such game, but I did have a little go of it, and yeah, it is very good. I recommend it. Yeah, there's quite a few different ones here as well, like Pengu Clash. That's quite good. So that's a Pudgy Penguins game. If you like just games of chance, like simple rolling the dice Monopoly style game, Lowland is pretty good. Yeah, so yeah, I recommend just get involved and explore some of these apps. Okay, yeah, please feel free to comment below, like and share or subscribe. Okay, see ya.
Subscribe for more virtual fun art Web3 guides.